Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to change your MacBook wallpaper. So there are three ways in which you can change your MacBook's wallpaper. We'll look at all three of them. So the first one is on your home screen, click on the right side of the trackpad, and here you'll see change desktop background. Click on it and it will open your system preferences and it will show you all the wallpapers that are on your Mac. So there are three options here too. So Apple has its own set of wallpapers. You can either choose from these or you can choose colors over here. You can choose from your photos. Currently I don't have any photos on my MacBook, so it's not showing me any photos over here. Or you can choose folders and then you can choose in pictures. So right now if I want to choose the dynamic desktop wallpaper. So the dynamic desktop wallpaper is something that will change according to the time in your location. So for example, if I select dynamic, now this it shows over here too. This desktop picture changes throughout the day based on your location. So that's a feature of Apple. So that is one way you can change your wallpaper. The second one is on your dock, click on System Preferences and then click on Desktop and Screensaver over here. Here again you will see all these wallpapers. So for example, if I want to keep this one as my wallpaper, I'll just click on it and now that wallpaper is my desktop background. The third one is if you have some photos in your Finder or saved on your MacBook. So for example, if I have some photos in my folders, I'll go there and then I'll select the photo that I want to keep as my desktop background. So for example, if I want to keep this one as my desktop background, I'll right click on it and then on the bottom click on Set Desktop Picture. So as you can see, my wallpaper is now the picture that I selected. So that is how you change your wallpaper on your Mac. Thank you.